What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Droid Modder X. Samsung just filed a new patent for an all-new design with no bezels whatsoever. Instead, for the sensors in the camera, we have just holes. Could this be the Galaxy Note 9? Let's go ahead and get started. So we are sure to see lots of changes from the Note 8 to the Note 9, and one of the key changes may be with the design. Now the patent that was filed shows a revolutionary design change with a Galaxy lineup. This could be for a device that's much further in the future, like say maybe a Galaxy S10 or a Galaxy Note 10. However, there is still a slight chance that this could be in the works for the Galaxy Note 9. As far as design changes are concerned for the Galaxy S9, we're looking to see basically the same design as the Galaxy S8 with possibly a slightly slimmer bottom bezel. The Note 9 may be totally different with no bezels whatsoever on the front of the phone. If Samsung's able to pull this off in time for the Galaxy Note 9, it would mean that Samsung would have the best body to screen ratio on the market hands down. Another thing that we are expecting to see for the Galaxy Note 9 is 3D facial scanning functionality. This would mean that facial scanning on the Galaxy Note 9 would be just as good as Face ID on the iPhone 10. Hopefully with the all-new capabilities, you'll be able to enter your phone faster than ever, not having to find the fingerprint scanner on the back and not having to wait for lighting conditions to adjust to scan your face. We already know that we won't see the in-display fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy S9 because we've already seen the design which places the fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone just underneath the camera. The technology has already been displayed at CES on other smartphones, so we know that Samsung has the capability to bring it to market for the Galaxy Note 9, and we fully expect them to do so. This is going to be great because not only are you going to have that 3D facial scanning technology, but you also have another layer of security with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Galaxy S9 will have stereo speakers, so it stands to reason that the Galaxy Note 9 will also have stereo speakers, which is great because the speaker has been probably one of the main issues with the Galaxy devices. They've always been tinny, they've been quick to distortion. Samsung has finally put a bit of priority on the speaker situation and will finally have stereo speakers to compete with the iPhone speakers and speakers on devices that like HTC has put out in the past as well. Another big change with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is in the metal that will be used. Metal 12 is a magnesium aluminum alloy, which is much lighter than the current metals used in the Galaxy lineup. Samsung should be able to do things like increase the battery size while keeping the phone super light and slim. This also allows Samsung to strengthen the chassis of the phone while making it lighter than it's ever been. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will have the best performing camera that we've ever seen on a Galaxy device. Of course, we'll have that dual lens camera setup. The main shooter will be an f1.4 aperture, which means that it's going to allow for more light into the sensor, which is going to reduce grain and noise in low light shots. These will be the best low light shots on a camera at the time of the release of the Galaxy Note 9. The larger sensor also means less chance for image blur, so you won't have to hold your phone perfectly still to eliminate blur on your images. As far as other specs are concerned, we are expecting a Snapdragon 845 processor in the Galaxy Note 9, just like with the Galaxy S9, and we should see 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage. Of course, we'll see other things like wireless charging, waterproofing, and a micro SD card slot. And of course, we will have a dedicated Bixby button for all of those of you out there that still use Bixby. It looks like the Galaxy S9 will not have an upgrade in fast charging. We'll still have that same fast adaptive charging that Samsung's had in their phones since the Galaxy S6. However, there may still be a possibility that Samsung upgrades fast charging on the Note 9. That is still yet to be seen. Of course, Samsung will have an upgraded S Pen and upgraded S Pen functionality built into the Galaxy Note 9, and overall, this looks like a pretty awesome phone. It's one of the phones that I'm most excited for in 2018. Let me know in the comments below which phone are you most excited for in 2018. That about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.